If you are doing business or you plan to become an entrepreneur, this video is going to help you. What is the biggest asset into your business? Now, many of you will answer that the biggest asset into the business is my brand name, my product, my cash, my profit. And some even will say that the employee is their biggest asset. Now, that is no wrong answer, but many of the business and entrepreneur, they ignore one of the important assets they need to have for their business. This is social media follower. Next 5 to 10 years, consumer will go for the restaurant for the food. It's not because of the restaurant name, it's because of the chef reputation. Consumer will go into the shop to buy clothes. It's not because of the corporate name, it's because of the designer. Now, many of the shop and many of the customer right now is looking for customization. It's looking for unique. It's looking for an individual preference. Now, the social media is one of the very good platform for you to build your follower to understand what is your value, what is your personal brand, what is your individual choice. If you still do not have any social media to build your own business, that is something that you must do it right now.